I just got a new guy and it's getting me fly. I'm reaching to my ex and it's not on take line. I just wanna buy a fun of the things in life. Alright, I got a crazy, crazy mind. I'm super fan, all just by myself. But I don't need another other for some help. No, it's speaking Spanish and English as well. I'm Filipino if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkabigit. Di naman ako enjoy pero matay naninigit. Ang lakas-lakas ng pusong dibdib ay naninigit. Napakasarap ng kuha ko habang sobrang lakit. Get it super fucking high. Di na ako makatayo kahit hindi naman pilay. Ang lahat ng gusto ko kaya kong ibigay. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I'd like to see you fucking try. Baby, baby, would you die for me? Would you ride for me? If you have a lot of secrets, would you hide from me? Would you lie to me? If your smile is real, I just brought a lot of papers, get high with me. O kaya ibalot mo na yung aro. Marami pa ako dito, mga sampo. Kahit na buong magabon, hindi ko mapapagod. Kaya ipasa mo sa kanan at sa kaliwa. Malakas ang aking amal, lahat nagagawa. 24 oras na ako dito nakatulala. Iniisip ang sarili lang kung tinitingala. Saan ba tayo papunta? Bakit ka rin mamatay? Ba't masyadong mabilis? Baka ikay magkamali. Kapag hindi mo to sinulit, bukas ka magbabawi. Sana hindi ka magtampok pag nauna ako umuwi. I'm getting super fucking high. Di na ako makatayo kahit hindi naman pilay. Ang lahat ng gusto ko ay I'm happy. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I like to see you fucking try. I just got a new guy and it's getting me high. Written to my ex and I can't take lie. I just wanna buy all the fantasies in life. But then I got a crazy, crazy mind. I just got a new guy and it's getting me high. I'm richer than my ex and